What is up, y'all? It's your favorite producer Ron. Got the recipe, and today gonna be walking y'all through my top 380 packs you need for hip hop, R&B, neo soul, boom bap, all of that. All right, if you want that sound realistic, you want those nice neo soul drums, nice R&B drums, nice hip hop drums, nice boom bap, and the funk, this is the video for you. Let's get it. On my list, I've got 3 drum kits you need. The first one is going to be from our R&B people out there, and that is the Modern Soul and R&B kit. If you don't know about this, this was the very first kit that I got when I got Addictive Drums too. And it took me a very long way. Like, just this one kit was good for hip hop, was good for R&B, was good for neo soul. And it really took me a long way, and it sounds really good. So let's get into a quick demo. All right, now that's the clean arrow light kit. I like this brown snare down here. All right, if you want, you can hop in here. You can turn the effects off so it's more dry. Boom, so let's go through the kits. You've got You Got Me. You got the lock and snare. Tear It Down. As you can see, it's good for boom bap too. Doo-wop. All right, and you can also go into your kits and you can swap things out. You can turn things down. All right, you can also swap out different instruments. If you've got more packs, you can swap out your cymbals, your snares, things like that. And I'll go more into that. I'll give you some MIDI packs I recommend, and I'll also give you 3 extra kit pieces that you should probably get as well. So that was the Modern Soul and R&B kit. The next one's gonna be the Vintage Dry. Now this is from my funk, my pop, my old school people that like kits like this. This is a really easy one to rock with. All right, super versatile kit. Here's the second one. I like this one. This one's called Hi-Fi. You got more of a natural punch here. And as always, y'all, if you want to save some cash, you can use my code in the description below or type in Chef Ron at checkout. Let's get it. All right, My next kit is probably the most versatile kit out of all of these because it does the funk, it does the hip hop, it does the boom bap, it does the neo soul, it does everything well. And that is none other than the Vintage Dead kit. The Vintage Dead kit is the newest kit. I feel like they made it for me. This kit is work of art. I mean, this kit, man, it's what more could you ask for? And if you want that dry 70s kit, if you want that super dead toms, I mean, perfect. And to show you how versatile it is, I got another loop over here that is perfect for neo soul. And honestly, let's just play it. All right, those are my top 3 kits: Modern Soul and R&B, Vintage Dry, and Vintage Dead. Now, there is another important component. In order to get your drums sounding right, you need the right pieces to these kits, and you need some MIDI packs, okay? So when you go to the website, you're gonna see here, you've got a couple different options. You get 3 drum kits, 3 MIDI packs, and 3 extra kit pieces. This is the one most people get. If you're a big stepper, I say get this one, but you know, it's totally up to you. And if you want to get everything, just cop this one. I guarantee I have everything, and I would tell you to get everything because there's a lot of good kits. I could give you my top 10 kits, and you would be like, damn, he's right. Like, these all sound really good. All right, so let's stop talking. Let's get to the action. So you know what 3 kits to get. Let's go into the pieces, all right? So these are my pieces that I would recommend, all right? So kit pieces, I would definitely go with the cajon. You can make a cajon sound like anything you want. I'll give you an example. Here's a kit that I created. You'll see I have a cajon here. And that cajon is tied to this trigger. But together, they sound like this. Get the cajon, and if you can group it to a trigger, you're in the game. You're in the game, baby. All right, that's my recommendation. Get a cajon. Next thing I would say is you want to get this British jazz bass drum. This is a great kick to pick up. It sounds amazing. It gives you that nice live, like lounge, jazz, LA feel. It's incredible. That'll be my second recommendation. And number 3 on this list, I would say choose a different snare. Go with the piccolo. The piccolo is on point. You can always shape that how you want to get it to shape. And if you guys want to see how I do it, maybe I'll do a little in-depth video on that too. But those would be my 3: cajon, get that bass, that British bass drum, because you can use that for boom bap too, and R&B, and neo soul. And I would say next would be that piccolo snare. Get those 3. All right, so now we know which 3 pieces to get to the kit. Now we're going to talk about the MIDI packs. I would say grab some things that you don't have, all right? So if you want some funk, grab a funk kit. If you want something dry, grab something dry. You want some reggae, grab something that you don't have, because 9 times out of 10, you can create something like this with the 3 kits we just recommended. I would grab the jazz, either one. I would say go with the, dang, either one is good. Either one of these is gonna be good. I would go with the sticks. I prefer the sticks. I think you should go with that one. That's a great pack to get. My second one would probably be the reggae, just because I like the snares in reggae. You know what I'm saying? I feel like you can easily translate that to hip hop. And my last one would just be the classic hip hop. You can never go wrong with it. Sounds great. But I know what 3 kits I would get. You also know the 3 pieces and the 3 MIDI packs I would get as well. And I guarantee, you're gonna be cooking. You're gonna be cooking like frying fish in hot grease cooking. Anyway, y'all, I hope you enjoyed. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.